Today I'll be showing you how to use a pressure cooker to boil dried beans until tender, and it's going to take a very short time to boil the beans. If you're used to boiling your beans for around 2 to 3 hours or even 3 to 4 hours, invest in a pressure cooker and it's going to save your time and money. Using a pressure cooker is very easy. Just follow these few steps and you're going to boil your beans in a matter of 30 to 40 minutes. Just imagine 30 to 40 minutes and your beans will be ready. That saves a lot of time. So I have 3 cups of dried beans over here. You are going to start off by sorting your beans because they are full of maybe stones or dirt. So I'm going to transfer to my countertop. And then I'm going to sort the beans that are rotten and the few unwanted objects in the beans. This is a stone, you can see. So I'm going to place that aside. Once you're done sorting the beans, you're going to transfer the beans back in the bowl. And these are the few rotten beans and some stones. So the next step is to clean our beans. So I'm going to wash the beans for around 2 times until the beans are very clean. This is how a pressure cooker looks like, and this is a 5-liter manual pressure cooker. On top of the lid, there's a pressure regulator that releases the pressure from the inside. And over here, there's a valve that keeps the pressure on the inside. Also, once you open the lid, there's a rubber that traps the pressure inside the pot. So those are the few parts of a pressure cooker. And once you invest in a pressure cooker, there's a leaflet for more instructions. So please read before using your pressure cooker. Once your beans are clean, you're going to transfer to your pressure cooker. Then I'm going to add in 5 cups of water. Make sure the water is above the beans because they'll take a while to cook and you don't want the beans to burn. Now, when it comes to placing your lid on your pot, you're going to place the lid and then you're going to add pressure, move to the left and lock the pressure cooker. Make sure the handle in the lid and the handle on the pot are aligned so that you can capture all the pressure, also that you cannot have any accidents. Once the pressure cooker is locked, you're going to boil your beans for around 30 to 40 minutes. Then you're going to let the pressure cooker cook for around 10 minutes before releasing the pressure. Once the pressure is out, you're going to check if the beans are cooked. If they're not fully cooked, you can add an extra 10 minutes, making it 40 to 50 minutes for boiling the beans. Now, after 10 minutes, you're going to manually release the pressure because you don't want the beans to overcook, and check if the beans are ready. If they are ready, you're good to go. After 30 minutes, my beans are ready. So I'm going to be using my index finger to check if the beans are ready. Once you press into the beans, they are very soft and cooked to perfection. You have to invest in a pressure cooker because it has saved me time and money, and the beans are ready in a matter of 30 minutes. Just imagine 30 minutes and the beans are ready. So I hope you'll be using your pressure cooker to boil your beans, or you'll invest in a pressure cooker to save time and money. Catch you on my next episode.